Welcome to TechMinds, your guide in the world of tech wonders. Let's explore the future together. This is TechMinds, where curiosity meets tech. Number 1. The Snow Blower, a winter powerhouse. Utilizes an impeller to efficiently propel snow away from surfaces. Ideal for residential and commercial use. It offers rapid snow clearance with adjustable chute directions, electric or gas-powered. It minimizes manual effort, ensuring safe pathways during winter. Number 2. Snow Plow. Mounted on vehicles, the Snow Plow is a robust workhorse, pushing snow aside to create clear paths for vehicles and pedestrians. Available in various configurations, including straight blades and V-plows, it tackles heavy snowfall, ensuring efficient snow removal. Number 3. The Humble Snow Shovel is a handheld hero for smaller areas, offering manual precision in snow removal, perfect for walkways and tight spaces. It's an essential tool for homeowners, allowing meticulous clearing of steps and pathways with ease. Number 4. Snow Melters, employing heat. Efficiently dissolve large snow quantities, crucial for public spaces and roads. They prevent icy buildups during winter. These machines use advanced melting technology, providing quick and effective snow removal, contributing to safe and accessible environments. Number 5. Snow Sweepers, equipped with rotating brushes. Gracefully clear roads and surfaces. These specialized vehicles ensure efficient and thorough cleaning, maintaining safety and accessibility in urban and suburban areas with precision controls. They contribute to the swift removal of snow, keeping pathways clear. Number 6. Snow Groomers, designed for snow-covered terrains. Are tracked vehicles ensuring perfectly groomed ski slopes. Their efficiency in creating smooth surfaces contributes to safe and enjoyable winter sports experiences with advanced features. They're crucial for maintaining ideal conditions on slopes, enhancing winter recreational activities. Number 7. Snow Rollers, pulled by tractors, compress snow on roads, creating smooth and compact surfaces. Their role is crucial in maintaining safe driving conditions during winter by compacting snow efficiently. They contribute to minimizing hazards caused by slippery roads, ensuring smooth transportation. Number 8. The Snow Pusher is a powerful machine designed to push large amounts of snow to the side, essential for clearing parking lots and industrial areas. It ensures quick and efficient snow removal. With its robust construction and powerful capabilities, the Snow Pusher is a frontline defender against heavy snowfall, maintaining operational spaces during winter. Number 9. The Snow Loader, adapted for snow clearing, is a front-end loader designed for heavy-duty snow removal, whether dealing with large piles or intricate spaces. It efficiently tackles snow accumulation, ensuring accessibility in industrial areas during winter. With its versatility, it's a valuable asset for comprehensive snow clearance. Number 10. The Snow Wing Plow enhances traditional plows with an attachment extending the clearing width. This innovation allows for faster and more efficient snow removal, especially in wide spaces, whether on roads or expansive areas. The Snow Wing Plow's capabilities redefine standards for productivity and effectiveness in tackling heavy snowfall. Number 11. The Snow Blower Truck combines mobility with snow clearing efficiency. Mounted with a powerful snow blower, it is a versatile solution for clearing roads and critical areas during winter. With its mobility and effective snow throwing capabilities, the Snow Blower Truck ensures swift and thorough snow removal in various environments. Number 12. Snow Cutters, equipped with rotating blades, efficiently cut through thick ice and snow. These machines are crucial for addressing extreme winter conditions, ensuring that roads and critical areas remain accessible. With their cutting-edge technology, snow cutters contribute to maintaining safe passage during harsh winters, preventing hazardous snow accumulations. Number 13. Snow Cats, tracked vehicles, specialize in grooming ski slopes and snow-covered terrains. Their efficiency in creating smooth and even surfaces contributes to the overall safety and enjoyment of winter sports. With their adaptability to challenging terrains, Snowcats play a key role in maintaining ideal conditions for recreational activities in snowy Environments. Number 14. Snow melting systems utilize underground heating to melt snow on driveways, sidewalks, and other surfaces. These systems provide an efficient and convenient solution for preventing snow and ice buildup, ensuring safe and clear pathways during winter. With their automated controls, snow melting systems offer a hassle-free approach to snow removal, enhancing the comfort and safety of residential and commercial spaces. Number 15. Snow roof rakes are specialized tools used for safely removing snow from rooftops, designed to prevent the accumulation of heavy snow loads. These rakes help protect roofs from potential damage. With their lightweight yet sturdy construction, snow roof rakes allow users to clear snow without causing harm to roof structures, ensuring the safety and integrity of buildings during winter. Number 16. Snow melting cables are electric heating cables installed on roofs, gutters, and walkways to melt snow and ice. These systems offer an effective and energy-efficient solution for preventing snow buildup, minimizing the risk of ice dams and potential damage to structures. With their discreet installation and automated controls, snow melting cables provide a reliable way to maintain safe and clear surfaces during winter. Number 17. Snow tires and chains are specialized traction solutions designed for vehicles to enhance grip on snowy and icy surfaces, essential for winter driving. These tires and chains improve traction, reducing the risk of skidding and sliding. With their unique tread patterns and materials, snow tires and chains provide added safety and control, ensuring vehicles can navigate challenging winter conditions with confidence. Number 18. Snow sweeper broom attachments are specialized tools for vehicles, featuring rotating brushes to sweep away snow from roads and surfaces. These attachments enhance the snow clearing capabilities of vehicles, ensuring thorough cleaning in urban and suburban areas. With their efficient sweeping action, snow sweeper broom attachments contribute to maintaining safe and accessible pathways during winter. Number 19. Snow blower ATV attachments are designed to be mounted on all-terrain vehicles, ATVs, or utility task vehicles, UTVs, for efficient snow removal in tight spaces. With their compact size and maneuverability, these attachments provide a versatile solution for clearing snow from driveways, walkways, and other areas where larger machines may face limitations. Snowblower ATV attachments ensure effective snow clearance in areas where precision and accessibility are key. Number 20. Snow melt mats are electrically heated mats placed on walkways and other surfaces to melt snow and ice. These mats provide a convenient and efficient solution for preventing the buildup of snow and creating safe, clear pathways during winter. With their durable and weather-resistant construction, snow melt mats offer a hassle-free way to maintain accessible and hazard-free areas in residential and commercial settings. Thank you for watching. We hope you found this video informative. Don't forget to subscribe to TechMinds for more exciting content like this. Remember to press the bell icon to receive notifications whenever we release new videos. Your support means a lot to us. Stay tuned for more tech insights and updates. See you in the next video.